It's also my first time traveling
Pack up your
alone.
car, 'cause you're going far away from here.
I am leaving to go to Italy in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys. It's so close yet so far. And today I went to Target to buy some everyday necessities for the trip. So let's do a haul. So I got a few things from Target. Actually, a lot of things. So this is what I got. Haul is over. Thank you for watching my haul. I'm just kidding. Now we got a brush. Why am I so zoomed in? Oh my gosh. Got a brush, razor, mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush holder, toothbrush. This one's really cute. I really like this, and it's only like 99 cents in Target. I already made a list, but once I got to the travel section, that's when I realized, oh, maybe there's a few things that I do need, like this. No, these two are a must. I mean, you never know. What if there's no toilet tissue or soap or a sink? Like, you never know. First aid kit. Again, you never know. That is my motto for this whole trip. You never know what could happen. Of course, insect repellent. I am not about to get bit by mosquitoes. I got a mini hairspray and dry shampoo, as well as sunblock and a lint roller. This is always something that I need and never have. So now I have one, and it's mini. Of course, we need some gum. I also got some body wash. I'd like to schedule an appointment next week for a haircut and a balayage.
Like
Do you think it looks fine? Because I don't know.
Yeah, I think you're just not used to it.
Okay.
Wait a couple days and then call me and let me know.
Yeah, I think I just gotta get used to it. Here's the thing though, it looks nicer on camera, but in person, it just looks so blonde. So blonde, and I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of having like imposter syndrome. I don't know, maybe I'm just like used to my dark hair. I don't know. You always look one guy being hey Pat, and like, who do you think are close enough to call me Pat? You're using it. No, it's not. Happy's not my name. I thought that's
I forget easily.
honestly, I wish I could forget easily. I like my denim look, honestly. Like, thank you. I'm ready. Tell me everything.
I don't know how we got there. We were just there. Like, you know how Hannah Montana's like, oh, yeah. Her transitions. And then all of a sudden we're there. Yeah, I think that.
Okay.
So when did you start playing pickleball?
Do you want to try?
That was really good. I really enjoyed it.
cried.
Oh my gosh. My heart feels really warm.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Is it in here? Oh my gosh, my camera's
It's water.
Did you want to finish the song?
glitter.
Part of that world.
So
Okay, now we're gonna go boba. Bye. I'm currently leaving in 4 days, technically 3 because it's almost midnight, and I haven't packed my suitcase or my checked luggage. I kind of packed my carry-on, kinda. I'm gonna pack a few of my toiletries today and do the rest maybe tomorrow. I feel like it looks like a lot, but it isn't that much. I brought 8 dresses, 7 tops, 2 shirts, 4 sweaters slash button-ups, and okay, maybe that is a lot. I think this is fine. What matters is I look good, right? Right. I'm leaving in 2 days, so I'm going to start packing now and try to put everything in packing cubes that I got from Amazon. Hopefully everything fits in there, and maybe if I have time and the energy, I'll put everything in my suitcase. If not, I'll do it tomorrow morning. But right now, I just want to focus on getting everything nice and organized. I don't know if I want to iron my clothes because there's some clothes that are wrinkly, and it's going to be wrinkly anyways since I'm going to roll it up and put it in the luggage. But I mean, I kind of want to do that. We'll see. What if this like falls on my face? That would hurt. Oh my gosh, that would hit my nose. Anyways, I wanted to say that I watched a lot of what is it called? I did a lot of research on YouTube about traveling to Europe and all that stuff. Oh, just kidding. You're gonna know by the title of this video, I'm going to Italy. A lot of people recommended to bring a personal bag and a carry-on so you don't have to deal with like losing your suitcase and all that, but I will bring a checked bag. I don't care if it's 50 pounds. If I'm walking in the streets of Italy carrying it to my apartment, I will bring a checked luggage. I hope my luggage is not 50 pounds, oh my god, but you get what I'm saying. I will bring a checked luggage because I have a lot of things that I need to bring in order for myself to survive. I have made a Pinterest board already on outfits that I'm planning to wear based on the outfits that I've bought throughout the past month. A lot of these outfits are from Love Bonito, Aritzia, and Banana Republic. Those are my 3 favorite stores because it matches the style that I like to wear, which is very simple and modest. Out of all the stores, my favorite is Love Bonito, only because they're an Asian-owned brand and they fit to the Asian size. Especially in the States, it's really difficult for me to find clothes that fit me well and that I like wearing. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just remember when I first wore pieces from Love Bonito, I just felt so confident in them because they just fit me so well, and I was so used to American sizing where it's just kind of fits me, kind of not, but with Love Bonito it just fits me perfectly. Especially if you're petite like me, you're definitely gonna love Love Bonito. Update, it's been a few hours. I took a shower and I finished packing, and I didn't realize how stressful it is to pack, or at least I forgot how stressful it is. Right now I'm putting in an air tag in each of my suitcase to make sure I know where it is. I've been planning this trip since November and it's finally here and it feels so unreal. It's currently 11:29 p.m. I'm very tired, but at the same time, I'm also very anxious and excited, so I don't know if I can sleep tonight. And you know, it's fine if I don't sleep. I'm gonna sleep in the plane, hopefully. Although I really have trouble sleeping in the plane, and this is a 19-hour flight. Yeah, a 19-hour flight. I don't think I've explained at all in this video why I'm going to Italy in the first place, and that's because I'm doing a study abroad program. It's my first time doing one. I'm very excited. It's also my first time traveling alone. I know, very, very scary, but very, very exciting at the same time. This whole trip is gonna be a lot of first experiences, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I don't want to get emotional, but yeah, I'm very excited.
15 people just walking.
right now because it's 1 hour.
No, I think I don't really. I just have breakfast, but I don't really eat lunch.
Do not leave your luggage.
I'm gonna go to book 4, and then I have The Summer I Turned Pretty, and then those books.
That one's really good. I did not read it, but
I'm gonna.
And under the stars